Got a puncture in your BMW run flat? Before you repair, stop. You need to see this. You think the choice is simple, repair or replace. But is a repair even an option? Tyre makers and UK mechanics almost always say the same thing. Get a new one. Here's why. The strong sidewall can hide severe internal damage you just can't see. Driving on it generates intense heat, which permanently weakens the tyre from the inside. A repair is only allowed if the hole is tiny, central, and has zero other damage. Even BMW advises against it. A tyre is a top safety feature, not something to weaken. So when there's any doubt, replacement is the only safe call, and an automatic inflator can get you to a garage safely.